Hi everyone, it's Ira and welcome to gmailfiend. So for today's video, I'll be showing you how to see all unread messages or emails in your Gmail. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so of course, the first thing that you need to do is to log into your Google account and then go to mail.google.com to access your Gmail. Then the main step that you need to do is just click this drop down box, which is the select, and then click unread. And as you can see, all the unread messages is now marked in your main inbox. So we hope you learned something from this video. If you like this video, please do hit the like button and the subscribe button down below. And also don't forget to check our channel for more videos like this. See you on our next video. Bye!